So here we have a short video on how to put your payroll journal that you've got on your, hopefully on your payroll journal template into Xero. So here I'm in a test client again. I've zoomed in quite a lot on this, so hopefully you should be able to see the figures. We go to accounting and manual journals. So we want to create a new journal and we'll call it payroll journal April 2024, and we'll put the date in there. Okay, now coming down to this, we don't need a description because that'll appear in the description column in each account, and I think it's quite clear what that is. So let's just start with the account. So we've got salaries. I'm basically just going to go through each one, make sure it's on the right side. Employees' national insurance. So there we go. Our debits and our credits match, so we can go and post. And if you look at the posted, there we can see the journal. And if you ever make a mistake, you can always click back into it and edit it at any point in time. Or if you want to add anything, like in the description, that's what we do with the journals.